Want to sign in WhatsApp with email? In this video, I will guide you if it is possible to sign in to WhatsApp with email. Now, the first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp. Now, you will come across this interface right here. Tap on agree and continue. Now, you only have the option to enter your phone number over here. So as you can see, there is no option to enter your email address. That is because you're only able to sign into your account using your phone number. You do not have the option to sign in using your email address. However, once you have been signed in, you can use email for two-step verification and PIN recovery. For that, once you have been signed in, tap on the three dots, then select settings. Now tap on account. Then you have the option of email address, tap on that. Here tap on email, then go ahead and enter your email address, then tap on next. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You simply want to enter that code over here, then tap on the verify option. After that, your email address will be successfully added and this email will help you access your account. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.